To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. iCloud Library. And what is it? Well, as you can imagine, the iCloud library is your storage in the cloud. If you have an Apple device, which obviously you do because you have an iPhone, everybody has this storage facility. Everybody gets from Apple 5 gigabytes worth of storage free, and you have the option to buy more, anything up to 30 terabytes at the present time. PhotoStream. And what is it? Well, think of PhotoStream as your feed of the latest photos. With the exception of live photos, my PhotoStream will automatically upload up to 1,000 photos from the last 30 days to each of your devices. So regardless of your device that you're using, you will always have the latest photos. So what's the difference between an iCloud library and PhotoStream? Well, they both offer similar functionality, but it's best to think of PhotoStream as a means of syncing photos between devices, whereas iCloud Library is a backup of your photos. A PhotoStream is a function of the camera and is free, whereas iCloud, above 5 gigabytes, costs money, but it's not a lot of money and gives a lot of peace of mind. The iCloud Library is much more robust than PhotoStream as well. The library is not limited to the number of files or the amount of time stored. It also supports a greater array of photo files, as well as live photos and videos. So what's the difference between a camera roll and PhotoStream? The camera roll is where all the photos you've taken within your iPhone are stored, whereas PhotoStream syncs only the most recent photos, so you can access them all on devices. Unlike iCloud Library, the PhotoStream doesn't use any iCloud storage. It does, however, take up space on all the devices it's synced with, which is why it's only limited to 1,000 photos and 30 days. But 1,000 photos is a lot of storage, and when you're short of space, it could be a space saver. Once you've turned PhotoStream on each of your devices, you're all set. PhotoStream automatically uploads your photos, so there's no additional thought or action required from you. But you'll be rest assured that you've got the last 1,000 photos available to view on any of your devices. So if you want to save space and have PhotoStream turned off, if you go to Settings and then go all the way down to Photos, and in Photos you will see a toggle to upload to my PhotoStream. You can toggle this on and off to ensure that you can actually have more space on your iPhone. So how to store your photos and videos on the iCloud? Your photos and videos will be stored on your device in their original high resolution version. This means they take a lot of space up on your iPhone, your iPad, or even your iTouch. Now, with the iCloud, you can make more space available on your device. Now, to do this and set this up for your transfer, if you go to Settings, then tap on your name, go to iCloud, Photos, and then turn on iCloud Photos. Then select Optimize Phone Storage Space to save on your device. To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.